Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy 500 horsepower engine with the Power Forged Pistons, AFR Heads, roller cam for our customer's 1984 GMC 4x4 1500. What were some of the highlights on the engine build here? We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal. We have the double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft. We have the AFR aluminum cylinder heads on there, American made. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. Engine block is painted to black with the brass freeze plugs. Correct oil pan for the 1984 GMC 4x4. We have the Taylor red ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. It's real nice polished 383 stroker valve covers with the 383 stroker air cleaner with a washable black filter. Satin aluminum intake manifold. Correct thermostat housing for the 84 GMC. High flow thermostat in there. Heavy duty PCV hose on there and PCV valve. Holley 750 CFM carburetor. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the HEI distributor set in place, all ready to go. Correct automatic flex plate for the customer's 700 R4 transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevy. High torque mini starters aligned and all set. Chrome dipstick and tube. Push-in chrome breather. We put the manifold vacuum tee in there for any vacuum hookups. Holley chrome fuel line. Fuel pressure gauge. Russell is installed. Electric choke wire. Muscle car series fuel pump. All the heavy duty Russell fuel lines. Loop clamps. Inline gas filters mounted high. Easy access up high there. We have the polished Wraptor pulley kit. AC compressor on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow reverse rotation aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, GM Saginaw power steering pump. Every engine at Engine Factory's live run for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We adjust the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. You ready to buy? Give us a call, 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. Family operated business here. So there you have it. 383 Chevy stroker, 500 horsepower, forged pistons, roller cam, AFR heads, polycarb, ready to go for the 1984 GMC 4x4 1500. Thanks for watching.